Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a powerful morning elixir that you can have every day on an empty stomach. This drink is going to do wonders for getting a flat stomach fast. There are three main ingredients in this power drink. Number 1, warm water. Number 2, lemon juice. Number 3, apple cider vinegar. You may not realize just how effective this combination of ingredients is, but I challenge you to give it a try for 7 days straight and see the results for yourself. A flat stomach is possible. You just need the right blend of ingredients to kickstart your metabolism, reduce bloating, and support healthy digestion. So let's get right into this belly-blasting brew. Why these powerful ingredients? First, let's talk about why we use warm lemon water and apple cider vinegar together in this drink. Warm water helps stimulate digestion and bowel movements. It awakens your nervous system and prepares it for proper nutrient absorption. Proper waste elimination is key for a flat stomach. Lemons contain enzymes and vitamin C that detoxify the body. The citric acid acts as a diuretic and laxative, flushing out excess water and waste to reduce bloat. Lemons also cleanse the blood and gastrointestinal tract. Apple cider vinegar balances pH levels. The acetic acid improves digestion by increasing stomach acid. It also suppresses appetite and regulates blood sugar. So, you can see why this combination is so effective when drunk in the morning. Benefits? Here are some benefits you can expect from this morning elixir. Improved digestion and elimination, reduced bloating, curbed appetite and cravings, increased motivation to eat healthy, more energy and mental clarity, boosted metabolism and fat burning, lower blood sugar levels, detoxification and cleansing, brighter glowing skin, tighter, flatter stomach. Drinking this daily will help you look and feel amazing. It truly takes just 7 days to start seeing a slimmer, tighter stomach. You will notice less bloating immediately and will start dropping belly fat fast. Your digestion improves, skin clears up, and you have an overall healthy glow. These drinks give you an incredible energy boost to start the day right and stay on track. The magic ratio. Here are the exact measurements. 2 cups warm water, juice from 1 lemon, 2 to 3 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon raw apple cider vinegar. Stick to this ratio, especially when starting out. Adjust to taste later if needed. How to drink. Here is how to mix and drink this belly slimming brew. Heat 2 cups of water until warm but not too hot. Squeeze 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons juice into the water. Add 1 tablespoon raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother. Stir and drink immediately on an empty stomach. Drink this for at least 7 consecutive days to see full benefits. You can add cayenne or ginger for an extra metabolism kick if desired. Have it 20 to 30 minutes before eating anything else. It's more effective on an empty stomach. Conclusion: give this simple yet powerful morning elixir a try for 7 days straight and get ready to lose belly fat fast. Just be consistent and drink on an empty stomach. Please let me know your results. I would love to hear if you notice less bloating or a slimmer waist. This drink truly works wonders. Here's to a lighter, healthier you. Now bottoms up. Thank you.